Before I get started, I started last time, Chris. Man, you tell me what you think about this flim.
This is some straight up bullshit, man. And I'm gonna tell you why. The police reports come out, the ballistics from the police report comes out, comes to find out it's inconclusive that the round that was fired came from Breonna Taylor's boyfriend, which leads me to believe there was a lot of shooting going on, not only in the house, but the reports were, and correct me if I'm wrong here, Ant, there was some shooting going on outside the house.
Okay.
So there is a very good possibility that if anybody in the house got hit, it could have been coming from anywhere, not the right or the left, but right, left, front, back, north, east, wherever you had people shooting was where gunshots were coming in. Now, this is what I don't understand. Gunshots is going on inside the house. Why the fuck would you fire a shot from outside and you can't see what the fuck is going on?
That part.
Okay? And if somebody gets hit and the forensics, the ballistic forensics come back and they can't conclusively say that it came from Breonna Taylor's boyfriend, then that leads me to automatically assume that one of your own had shot you.
That sounds too much like Ray, don't it?
Now, this is the other side that pisses me off about this. Breonna Taylor's boyfriend say that he aimed the gun down and shot at the ground. First thing I thought about when I heard that was, and it's totally irrelevant to the whole situation, but the Texas in me, the first thing I thought about, couldn't have been a nigga from Texas. You couldn't execute no-knock warrant, bust up in a nigga house and they start busting and they shooting off rounds at the ground to scare you off. They trying to murk something. You in a nigga house in Texas, nigga, they trying to leave your ass out on the front lawn like a goddamn, like a game hunt, like a deer. It couldn't happen in Texas. That's the first thing I thought. But the second thing I thought was this man was defending himself and his old lady. So what the fuck does it matter whether his posture was the same as yours or he was firing at the ground? You had no fucking reason to be there in the first place. And if you mad at anybody for getting shot, whether he shot you or the cop shot you, you should be filing a fucking lawsuit against the goddamn city for sending your ass in the wrong fucking house in the first place. This man has gone through emotional, traumatic fucking stress. I have an old lady. We are due to get married, which, by the way, both of y'all niggas need to go get fitted for your tux, but that's an unrelated.
I already did.
But anyway,
I'm probably gonna have to get fitted again though, because of quarantine.
I got an old lady. If anything happened to my old lady, I'd be fucking pissed. Especially I'm not there. I can't be there with her right now. This man was with his woman, trying to protect himself and his woman. And she's dead, and you got the audacity to file a civil suit against him when you are the cause of this whole bullshit? I'm done talking.
Man, you know what? When I seen this, I was like, this is injury to insult. Injury to insult. Like, how in the hell are you gonna sue this man for this when it's the exact opposite? He been the one that's been, through all the emotional distress and all the other, bullshit or whatever that he's, filing or whatnot, suing the man for and all that kind of stuff. Like, he's been the one going through that. There's been obvious and there's been, reported discrepancies in evidence and stuff that's been, put forth in front of the courts and whatnot regarding his old lady death. Yeah. Who killed her, who didn't kill her, and what, the two different ballistic ballistic comparisons and the different shit like that or whatever, like that's public knowledge. But then you gonna sue this man for this? Like, I just, it seems like whatever, the Louisville department, police department got against this, against him and their family or whatever, like it just keeps pouring on, it keeps raining on, and it just won't stop or whatnot. And I just think it's a disgrace to it's just a disgrace, man. That to try to sue that man over some mess like that, when, like you said, Chris, if anybody you should be suing, it should be the city for sending you to the wrong damn address. Them the people that fucked up.
But then to do that, if you do that, guess what you're doing? You're putting responsibility on somebody to be at fault. And
What
that's
the
all they're
goddamn
doing.
it? That I mean,
They keep throwing this fault away.
well, damn it,
Nobody willing to accept wrong is wrong.
Well, damn it, they trying to put a fault on him for causing him causing him emotional distress.
Yeah.
So damn it, you need to go to the people who actually sent you to the wrong damn place, first place.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is gonna cost you your job? It might cost you your badge or whatever. You know what I mean? But right is right, wrong is wrong.
People get fired every day, B.
And it ain't even so much to me, bro. It ain't even so much a conversation of niggas getting fired every day. If that's the case, and that's the case, these people sent you in the wrong house, which caused all this shit, and you really feel this way, why the fuck you want to keep working for these people anyway?
Exactly. So fuck the damn badge. Go get you a job somewhere else.
It's corruption, bro. Like there's a loyalty to the corruption here. He's in on it. He's in on it. That's why he's suing this man. He knows where that blame should be properly placed. I don't even think that he has any emotional stress or anything going on. And let me be clear about this. Nobody is mad really at the police. And when I say police, I'm not talking about the police department. I'm talking about the police that executed the no-knock warrant. Nobody has really came down on those guys because they were just doing their job. And
right.
we could argue the validity of no-knock warrants, but it was legal. And they were just doing their job. Right. However, the people who sent them to do their job sent them on a crash dummy mission.
Mm-hmm.
And that is not the police. It is that system. It is that organization. It is that authority that sent you in the first place that this dude is supporting when he doesn't want to sue the city, but instead want to sue the victim. He's supporting a fucked up system.
Yeah. And we'll get another thing that gets me. The motherfucker filed this motion. And a motherfucking judge decided to go ahead and run with it. Let it stick and let this process continue. However, you're going to get rid of the shit to hold the real motherfuckers accountable who killed Breonna in the first goddamn place. Y'all let them motherfuckers off.
Everything just ass backwards, bro.
And all the smut they done put on that girl name, talking about she's connected to drug dealers. She's this, she was a goddamn EMT. She saved fucking lives. They put all kind of smut on that girl name, trying to politicize this shit.
And did they try to coerce his ass talking about shit? The dude that they suing right now, they try to coerce the boyfriend.
Ain't no telling, and they doing all types of fuck shit. I wouldn't be surprised if they was.
Not like for real. There was like a report they tried to have him testify that she was involved in all this shit, whatnot, and her ex was involved in some bullshit. So, and like either they try to give him amnesty for something else, like a warrant or some bullshit he had, some goofy shit. But either way, this right here is just what I call privilege at its finest. Hey, I'm going to do a job. I fucked up at the job. The fact that I fucked up the job and I got hurt on that job that I fucked up. And I can't say it necessarily was that person. It may be my colleagues that fucked me up. But just because you're a big name right now, I'm suing your ass for it. That's privilege at its finest, boy. And some judge said, you know what? Bring it to the court. We got it.
And hold on. And this is how I know. This is also how I know that it's fucked up. This is how I know that like you said, and this is some privileged ass shit. This is some racist ass shit. How much did he think he really gonna get out of Breonna Taylors Boyfriend?
Yeah, he paid attention. You know, the family got paid, not him.
The family got paid. But who did the family get paid by, Ant? The state. Who sent his ass on the crash dummy mission in the first place? The state.
Technically the city, but yeah, which same.
You see what I'm saying? So regardless of whether Breonna Taylors Boyfriend got broke off in that settlement or not, how much you think you gonna get out this man?
He get one of these.
Hey man, if I'm a hot shot lawyer in the country, I'm jumping on this man case. They doing what now? Oh yeah, no, we gonna eat this motherfucking lunch for breakfast.
They should throw this shit out, bro. It shouldn't even made it that point, that far.
It shouldn't.
But you know what though? I feel like them hot shot lawyers, they staying away from this shit, bro.
The ones that actually want to make some money.
They staying away from it.
The politics
behind it, everything, all the publicity and all that stuff behind it. Like if Johnny Crockett was alive, I'm pretty sure he'd have jumped on it.
Johnny been on it.
Because Johnny is that dude. You know what I mean? Like Johnny is that man. You know what I mean? But you know, ain't no hot shot lawyer jumping on that, bro.
And another thing too, think about it, bro. It's not only no lawyer will hop on it, but like I was saying the first, man, it shouldn't even be a question at all. The shit should have been thrown out from the get-go. As soon as that paperwork submitted, insufficient. And like you said, Chris, bring this shit back to the city. Talk to them, sue your government healthcare, kind of like we got. You try to sue them motherfuckers, see how far they get you. Sue the people that trained the person that shot you, which y'all was in the same damn class, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's that motherfucker that said, hey, shit, C's get degrees, that's that motherfucker that did that to you. that's that range officer say, it's Friday, man, let's get the fuck up out this bitch.
Let's get up out of here. Let's go ahead and get all these rounds out.
Yeah, we gotta clean this shit out anyway. Let's go. Don't even worry about cleaning the guns. That's what you get.
You 3 inches away from the first shot. Oh, don't worry about it.
I think you good. It's good enough. But yeah, man. Like I said, this is some frivolous bullshit, man. Like I say, it's sickening and
a slap in the face.
Slap in the face, man, to anybody, to the whole justice system, period, bro. And that's why I know we have talked about this a lot of times, so, you know, off the scenes, you know, we always talk about what if the world actually did what's right, what's wrong, like it's supposed to be. But we know the world ain't right because in the right world, this motherfucker hit me with something like that, I got the right to whoop his ass. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yes.
And if this logic, if this shit goes, this happened to work out. Every Jerome, every Timmy, every John, every Dwayne, everybody that's locked up for killing somebody should be able to sue the family member. Hey, I'm stressed. I'm in a harsh environment. all because I decided to kill your family member. I can sue you now.
Yeah.
That's basically what they're saying.
Yeah, man. I mean,
I could go drinking and driving, get in a car wreck, take out a whole family. I go to jail and I can sue that family. How much sense that make?
you set a precedent. You set a precedent.
Right. Set the standard.
So if that's the case. If this shit go further than what's supposed to go, I better see a whole lot more lawsuits coming.
I agree. I agree, OG.
But that man, that's all I got for this thing. What y'all got for it, man? We made up some hell of a time right now.
Hey, man, look, I just want to say this to close it out. Roy, you can have your closing statements too. I just hope this girl family and her boyfriend, I hope they get some fucking justice from this shit. I hope they get some peace. And I hope some happens in that city, in that state where black folk can feel like they don't have to worry about this shit possibly happening. Because let's be honest, man, all this shit that we hear about in the news, all this shit that we hear about in the news, black folks, it's not every black person in America's experience. We know that. I mean, we done had enough close encounters to where we can say, man, this is some bullshit, but we've never really been there. But it's enough to where those close encounters, those little small encounters, make us think, well, shit, I could be, I could be one of the ones, and
Yeah.
it's enough to trigger a whole fucking community of people that way. And I think that people don't, a lot of people outside the black community don't understand that. So I just hope that this whole thing gets some resolution, and whoever get in office, really, I'm hoping is the other side. But I'm hoping something comes down the line to look out for the interests of black folk.
Yeah. I think the most important piece, man, is just the family getting the closure that they need to move forward, and to continue on with life or whatnot. And with, this type of stuff right here, just, what I'm saying, just keep popping up. Cause, I kind of thought that, and I don't want people to take this the wrong way. I kind of thought that, the Breonna Taylor thing was kind of, over with and done as far as with it on social media and all that kind of stuff. But then this right here popped up. And it's like, how many times is the re-victimizing, and how much is this going to be continued to be brought up and keep, make it keep coming to the forefront, when it could just be the family and never get the closure and never be able to move on with something constantly being brought up, and then something as frivolous as this. Like, come on, like at some point in time, you be, it's considered to be reaching for stuff. You know what I mean? Just to keep it going, to keep the re-victimization of, the family and all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So, I just want the family to get the closure that they deserve, the closure that they need to be able to move past this, tragic event. You know what I mean? For the boyfriend to be able to move on or whatnot. And it's just messed up, man. It's just a messed up situation.
Agreed. Yeah, I'm gonna close out. Basically, shadowing you, man. Is like you said, man. It's fucked up, and I'm just like you were saying earlier, man. So I'm one of them old. Hey, let's get this thing done. You know what I'm saying? If we say we gotta do something, let's do it. Let's get over. Now, granted, the court systems drag shit out longer than what it got to be, and I hope like you said, I thought it was dying off just behind the scenes work as far as the bring the other people accountable to it. It's just all behind the scenes, but people just keep throwing this ignorance, this flame of ignorance, and it's just stupid shit up on it like this, you know. And I'm not hoping it's not saying that. I'm saying we want to move forward as people, but still, again, we need once shit gets done. So we need justice for this whole situation.
Right.
So
Hey, can we?
That's all I'm on.
Can we take one for Breonna Taylor and her family, man?
Man, let's do it.
Let me go get another bottle. Hold on.
Look at you. I told you to babysit that thing.
It's over.
Yeah. One of these days we're gonna get it right though.
OG, I hope we do. Hey, it's a lot more shit. They still gotta finish out the George Floyd situation.
Cracking the Deuce, man.
Huh?
Cracking the Deuce. Hey, for all those that like and subscribe.
Hey, Ray.
If y'all want your boy to drink something.
Hey, Ray. We gotta say that probably on the next one. We doing this for Breonna Taylor and the fam.
You right.
Slander this drinking this with your ads.
I ain't trying to create no ads, but definitely not what I'm trying to do. But
Roy is a wallow. Bro, you wallow 267. You know that? that's how wallow ass be doing. Hey, you seen that shit yet? You seen that $1 million?
Hey, I follow Wallow, man, on Instagram.
I like Wallow.
But you know what? Hey, for Breonna Taylor, man, and for the whole family.
Breonna Taylor, the family, the whole city of fucking Louisville, and the whole country with our impeding matters, man.
Tap. He said he was out the bottle. Damn.
Out the bottle, no chill.
Y'all know how I do.
And you gotta fight. Gotta fight that Rona some kind of way.
You gonna get it all out.
All right, gents. Now we got that one good. We made up for a little time. We got a little time now, so we can hop on our ratchet for the day.
Here we go.
Man.
My main man.
We got this man down there. I see what Trump talking about now. CNN be on that bullshit.
Hey.
Just like we